With the state gearing up for the 2023 Meghalaya Assembly elections, the State Congress President Vincent Pala has informed that the Pradesh Election Committee has cleared 40 seats and the rest 20 seats will be announced later. Addressing a press conference today, he stated that 26 names were cleared from Khasi and Jaintia Hills and 14 names were cleared from Garo Hills. Pala further said that candidates will be declared by the All India Congress Committee AICC in Delhi. He said that out of the 40 candidates, 8 are women candidates. Pala further added that the Congress is putting up fresh faces in the upcoming elections as 10 candidates were former MLAs. He also said that the party is not looking for any pre-poll alliance and is aiming for an absolute majority.
This time is Congress for a change with new faces. Out of 40 candidates which we have, only 10 candidates who were MLA before. Out of these 40 candidates, happy to inform you and proud to inform you, 8 will be the ladies. And proud to say that some ladies are highly qualified and very hardworking also in the society. The rest 30 are fresh, including 6 MDCs. So if you look in that angle, we position our candidate with educated, reliable, and all others, and very well equipped our candidates.
Meghalaya State President of Bharat